Today we're standing in Psidian Antioch. Like its more famous namesake, Antioch in Syria, this was a city of the Seleucid Empire, Antiochus being an important dynastic name for that family. When Antiochus III took this region, called Pisidia, he established a Greek city here to help control it and named it with this name so common to his family. Josephus tells us that he also moved 2,000 Jewish families from Babylonia here, thinking that these Jewish families could be mercenaries and supporters of his regime. The Greeks and the Jewish families helping to control the native Pisidians. This region later fell under the control of Rome, and where we are standing right now is among the ruins of a temple of Augustus that was built following the emperor's death in AD 14. Here he and later his more renowned successors were worshipped as gods as part of what's called the imperial cult. And in a nice public square surrounding this, they were honored, and this is called the Sebastion, Sebastos being the Greek word for Augustus. Entered it through a monumental gateway, and there's another square below it. One would mount this square through steps, named the Tiberia, named after the Emperor Tiberius. Of course, for biblical history, Psidian Antioch is important because Paul and Barnabas, according to Acts chapter 13, came to this city following their successful mission in Cyprus. Always quite curious why they came into the middle of Asia Minor. But remember, in Cyprus, they had a positive meeting with the governor, a man named Sergius Paulus. Inscriptions have been found in Psidian Antioch, which note that there were Sergii Pauli here. Perhaps they came on the recommendation of Sergius Paulus in Cyprus. This was also, after the Roman capture, a Roman colony, where many Roman legionaries veterans had been settled, and it had Roman status, so perhaps Paul and Barnabas' Roman citizenship helped here. However, as we mentioned, this was an important Jewish settlement, and after some successful preaching, perhaps in one of these public squares, the Jewish community aroused opposition to Paul and Barnabas. They were run out of town, went eastward somewhat to Iconium, Lystra, and Derbe, where they had further missionary success.